I don't know if this is the ending of this video, but we're gonna keep it rolling. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. But we got
the house ain't ready for that.
You got Chris over here.
What up?
He has to do his brakes and oil change on his car.
What they want to do?
But he hasn't went and got none of the stuff. So I would not be. That would not be part of this video. But like I said.
What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up, people? Welcome back to Easy E's Rebuild. It's another beautiful Saturday. I'm standing inside the garage, so of course you can't see outside. But now we're working on another project on the Lexus GS300. We done took the bumper off. We'll show you that in a moment. And we're gonna start wet sanding it, getting it prepped for paint. But in the beginning of the day, is it okay if I tell them what we did?
Not on the Copart Equinox.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's different.
That's another video. I'm sorry about that. Back to what I was saying. We're finna start breaking the Lexus down, getting it ready, getting it prepped for paint. We're gonna let you see the bumper off. It's still sitting in the driveway. And we'll show you the finished product. Once again, thank you for tuning in to Easy E's Rebuilds. Like, comment, share, purchase the merchandise. Make this channel grow. We appreciate you for all your support. Thank you very much. God bless.
So, like Demetrius was saying, from Hasbro Sweets, this is his car. We don't know if he's gonna put up for sale after it gets painted. It's another beautiful Saturday morning. And he wants to paint this whole car using my little bitty 21-gallon air compressor. But he has to remove the front bumper. He has removed the Lexus symbols, which y'all can see where he's about to clean. He's about to clean up all that with some goof off, clean off all that double-sided tape, because he's gonna be prepping this. Got prepped all this. Got to get all this stuff off this one too. Get this fixed. All these little. Fix all this. Fix all these cracks. And get that Bondo and wet sand it down. I don't know if we're gonna do that all today. Waiting on my stepson Roro to get over here to give us a hand. Cause he gotta come over here to this side. Get up in there. Probably use body filler and fill this all in. I don't know.
That's what I was thinking.
You gotta get these side panels off right here and get these wet sanded down. Try to get these all glued up, but look at those come off easily. But you gotta get this front bumper off as well. Like I said, all the gang ain't here, but Demetrius showed up. My wife is back there doing her thing, detailing and cleaning the Copart Equinox. We got cars parked down the street. So I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for the people that still stand with me, because I'm gaining subscribers and I lose subscribers. I hate that when I get my subscribers go up and I start losing them. Because I work a full-time job, people. I cannot upload every day like I want to unless y'all help support this channel more by leaving Cash App donations. Get me up to 10,000 subscribers so I can do YouTube full-time. Get my watch hours up to 10,000 views per video, and I can do this full-time. But until then, y'all get 1 or 2 videos, depending on what we're working on. I don't have 3 projects over here. I only have pretty much one when we're working on Lexus. Because it's hard times right now. I don't know when this video gonna come out. I'm backlogged on videos. But we about to get back to work. Y'all know what we do. We make it do what it do, baby, over here at Easy's Rebuilds. We make things happen. So if you wanna, you can also help support this channel if you stay in Northwest Indiana, the Chicago area, and you need your car worked on, and you got multiple cars. You can always drop one off over here and we'll rebuild it on a budget for you at pretty much a low cost. I know I usually charge $1 a minute, but we won't break the bank because I get video content out of it, so we'll work out a deal. So with all that said, we'll get back to y'all in a minute. I got stuff to do. Gotta charge my GoPro. Deuces.
and where it takes up less space.
So
That's what SP does. That's all
Here
he
we-
does. He makes custom boxes.
here we are. They all talking in the background, but
This the guy at the job.
hope y'all enjoyed the time lapses.
Videos.
Yeah, he good.
I strip cars.
Well, no, like
He does
Like
new
I,
boxes
well,
every
shit,
year.
yeah, strip
Takes one
cars.
out,
I am
does
from
new boxes.
Detroit,
I want it custom
so I know how to
made
strip a
where-
car
Here,
now.
I'll show you.
Because you obviously Detroiters know how to strip cars. We show do, you know what I'm saying? If you go to Copart, go to Copart up in Detroit, Michigan, you're gonna see there's a bunch of strip cars at the Copart in Detroit, Michigan. So that explains right there how I can take these cars apart piece by piece, and I can pretty much put them back together piece by piece. But we got the wheel well liner out, we got the fenders off, the bumper absorber, headlights.
So that's just really like right in your fucking face.
I guess now we about to go to pick and pull. If you want to go to pick and pull, and you want to pick and pull,
I'm just gonna buy them brand new.
why buy them brand new?
Cause I can get 2 for $120.
You can get 2 for
$30.
like
$40.
$90 at
Well,
pick and pull.
I can use a credit card online and order it.
You can use a credit card anywhere.
Now I'm on American Express.
I don't know if you gotta see if pick and pull take American Express.
You can call and ask real quick.
Yeah.
But this motherfucker, you see, he balling. I just get 2 brand new fenders.
I mean,
He's another to a baller. He supposed to been got the fenders. So he procrastinated. He slowing us down over here on Easy's rebuilds.
And I ain't slowing you down.
He procrastinating.
Hey, you see this shit? Now you gonna say I'm slowing
This
him
car
down.
been sitting over here for 5 months, y'all,
Oh, wow. 5 months.
and we just not touching
5
it.
months, it was winter time.
Like it took him 3 months just to get a car battery. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna
3
take.
months to get a damn.
So it's gonna take him another 3 months just to get the fenders. You know what I'm saying? We gotta order them. You know, it's the situation going on. So it's gonna be like
Indiana opened up.
So it's gonna be like 2 months before you get a fender. But he can go to pick and pull. Well, you sure can go to pick and pull. We'll call them, pick and pull, and see if they take American Express, because you sure do need that light.
No,
Those
we
2
sure,
lights.
we sure do need
Get
a
the
lot of
glass for that
stuff.
light
Yeah,
too.
you get the lights.
I
The
said,
fog light and a turn signal light for the bumper.
but see, no, once he sees these other stuff over there, he's like, oh, fuck.
I need this. I need this.
But
No, he's gonna see that other car. Like, we picked out the other car. Almost the same
I still
shit
have
color.
to
And then
remove
shit
all
like
these
to make
plastic
these
pieces,
zero.
remove this, everything is gonna get painted. We paint everything. This whole car is gonna be painted. Gotta take this deck lid off, get all this fixed up, take that off, take these out, you know what I'm saying, repair all that rust. Gotta fix all this too, right in here. Yeah, so
Stuff I gotta do to get it back.
they back.
I'll see your pictures.
So I don't know if this is the ending of this video, but we're gonna keep it rolling. I don't know. I don't know what they gonna do. But we got
The house ain't
y'all
even
might
ready
get
for
some-
that.
Chris over here.
What up?
He has to do his
What they trying to
brakes and oil change on his car,
What they wanna do?
but he hasn't went and got none of the stuff. So I would not be. That would not be part of this video.
Big party and we'll see the back ain't finished.
But like I said,
On the grill, yeah. Okay.
we get shit done over here at Easy's Rebuilds.
Alright,
Oh.
No, we can knock that out too. No issue.
You gonna pull a brand new?
Man, I check out. I don't know. We do some. I don't even know. Don't know what's going on today.
That's no, I thought-
We all over the place. We don't even know what's going on. We all over the place. We got cars to work on. Still got to work on the neighbor's car over there. See across that gate, y'all see that?
I know.
that
We got a long
Mercury.
line of people.
Still got to do a tune up on his car and change a motor mount. I was working on his car yesterday. One of the windows is messing up. And you got the official Olivia, mascot of Easy's Rebuild. She love it. She's like, Easy's Rebuild, y'all. She like grandpapa. You got her I don't even know what the thing that is right there. I don't even know what that is.
Whatever.
Shit, but we gotta get going. Let's see what we're gonna do. So I'll catch y'all very soon. And give y'all a little update. Peace.
Dude, he looked at it and he
You owe me 40, it's 60.
Well, that's it for this video.
Because the branches, I gotta put clear.
We did
Now you won 60.
Demetrius of Hasbro Sweets to the
We
left.
were gonna do it for 70. And
Got
I'm
the
going
got the front rear bumper off, front bumper off, fenders off. But only problem is,
But the last time,
So you owe me 40.
is no, he has no fenders, so he replaced the fenders we took off. But
what's
There
my
should
money?
have
y'all see the progress of this car getting
No, I'll
painted.
do it with my flip flops. Because my fucking.
But if y'all haven't already, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Go copy some merch at teespring.com, and we take cash app donations. There are links in the description area below, and please leave a comment.
Throw me 40 bucks.
And that's it.
Yeah, it's gotta
Stay
be
tuned,
Squash what I owe you.
stay
It's gotta be
blessed,
done.
stay home, stay safe.
Yeah.
Deuces.
I mean, you're helping me, I'll help you.
Eric's got all the shit to do with it.
What do you do, baby?
All I know now.